Looking for a simple way to organize your tasks and projects? Meet Trello, your digital to-do list on steroids. What is Trello? Trello is a visual project management tool that helps individuals and teams organize tasks using boards, lists, and cards. Think of it like a digital bulletin board where you can drag and drop your tasks as you make progress. How it works? Each project is a board. Inside the board, you create lists to represent stages, like to do, in progress, and done. And each task is a card where you can add checklists, due dates, attachments, comments, and more. You can move these cards between lists as work progresses. Who uses Trello? Whether you're a student managing assignments, a freelancer handling clients, or a team planning a product launch, Trello works for everyone. Pros of Trello? 1. It's super easy to use, no learning curve. 2. Visually organized, you can see your entire project at a glance. 3. Great for collaboration, add team members, assign tasks, and leave comments. 4. It's free for most users, with paid plans for advanced features. Cons of Trello? 1. It can get messy with too many cards and boards. 2. Lacks advanced features compared to tools like Asana or Jira. 3. Not ideal for complex project tracking with dependencies. In short, Trello is perfect for simple to medium-level task management. Try it out and see how it can streamline your work or life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech explainers.